Okay guys, so how to create Wi-Fi hotspot. In this video I will show you step by step. Okay, so let's click on start menu and here type settings, and at the top you will see settings, so click on it. New window will open, so here you need to select network and internet, so search for this. So here you will see mobile hotspot, so you need to click on mobile hotspot and make sure mobile hotspot is switched on. And here you can see network name and network password. So you can easily change your Wi-Fi hotspot password by clicking on edit. So this is guys how it works like. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.